What up, y'all? It's your boy Beamy back. I'm back. I know y'all probably like, damn, where he been? That's probably just gonna have to be another video, honestly. But long story short, went back to school, got my certificate in software development, and your boy's looking for a job right now. So I've just been crazy busy studying data structures and algorithms, and it's a lot of stuff. But I got these, and I had to do a review. So the Air Max 95 N7. And I got these over the weekend when me and my wife took a trip to San Antonio to celebrate your boy graduating. Just all the hard work, man. It was like 5 months. 5 months of hard work, and your boy had to put it in, and you know. So again, that's why we're here. And I got plenty of other shoes to do. Even a surprise pickup from that same outlet, which is probably gonna come after this. Will come after this, but then it's just, you know, getting edited. But man, I hope you guys been doing all right. I really miss doing this, and I'm really glad I'm able to do it right now. So what I got here again is Air Max 95 N7. I saw these on the shelf, and I was like, man, these are different, and it just made sense to pick them up. So Nike's write-up about this Air Max 95 N7 2022 edition is, it celebrates the native communities of North America with N7 style, made with at least 20% recycled materials by weight. This Air Max 95 vibrantly colored stripe detailing honors the ribbon skirts worn by North American native and indigenous people as a symbol of self-expression, resilience, and joy. Naturally dyed materials with a rich berry stain effect pay homage to the indigenous defense of Mother Earth. And so the colorway is grain, fossil rose, fuel orange, bio-coastal. And so that's what you have here. This is the berry stain seen throughout the shoe. Got these ribbons that represents the skirts worn by North Americans, and the symbol of self-expression, resilience, and joy. Inside to me kind of has like a teal colored glow, faint teal colored glow, but midsole is tan. You got these hints of, I call it a teal color. Got the Nike Air on the back and teal as well. Got the Air Max tongue. And I got these in a size 11, fit true to size. And again, just comfortable, straight Air Max 95 action. So what y'all think about these? Let me know down below in the comment. And it's only right that your boy hit y'all with the on feet. So let's get that on feet. So what y'all think about these on feet, man? I think they're pretty clean, simple, pretty much goes with everything. I like them. Like I said, real simple shoe. Something different. I don't really have this kind of color in my collection, and you know, me and Jay got them, so you know we're gonna be matching on feet. Matter of fact, we did already, so that was real dope. And like I said, man, it's a real cool shoe. Retail for these were $170, but they were having a sale, but the sale did not apply to this, but we did have a new account, so we got them for, was it 150 something? I can't remember, but yeah, so that's that. Got something else coming for y'all. Be on the lookout for the next video.